Hi everyone, it's Bethany from Madeline Jean Antiques and Restoration. In today's video, you guys are going to watch me transform an antique, very ornate looking coffee table that I picked up at a local antique store. I'm giving this one a drastic makeover. You're not even going to recognize it when I'm done with it. So let's get to it. Did you guys know that the coffee table was invented in 1920 by a gentleman by the name of Stuart Foote? Kind of ironic, isn't it? Foote, coffee table. What moms tell you not to put on a coffee table. Anyways, his claim is he invented the coffee table. He owned a furniture company and he got a table, cut off the legs, and put it right in front of his sofa and thought, this would be a perfect place to place my coffee. Hence, the invention of the coffee table was born. Where's my... Hey! Who's managing the props? There should be coffee in here. Thank you. Okay, you guys, here is 2 coats after I've put on the liming wax. So you can make the liming wax as pronounced as you want. I put on 1 coat, wiped it away, and I thought, I want it a little more dramatic than that. So I applied another coat of the liming wax and I removed it. Now, you can't really get into the crevices with your little blue bonnet here. So I did have to get a rag and I wiped it around, wrapped it around my finger, and I went in like this to remove the excess liming wax. Again, you can leave as much as you want. You can remove as much as you want. Again, I want this to be kind of like a frosted look. I guess that's the best adjective I can use to describe the liming wax. It really gives like a frosted look to this pink color, which I am just loving right now how this is looking. So I'm going to keep doing this all the way around this coffee table in those nooks and crannies, and I'll show you guys the finished look. watching me transform this piece. Looks pretty different, doesn't it? If you guys did enjoy watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't followed me yet on YouTube, please do. There's a red subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner. Just click on that, and then every time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. I am also on Instagram here, bethany.yusuf, and you can also find me on Facebook. I have a business page. It's at Madeline Jean Antiques and Restoration. Thanks so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate it. Until I see you guys again, take care.